Hey there, laptop users! Got an old laptop gathering dust in the corner? Don't ditch it just yet. I'm here to show you how you can breathe new life into that trusty old machine with some top operating system picks. First up, we've got Linux Mint. Imagine a fresh coat of paint on your old laptop. Linux Mint is user-friendly and super popular. If you're coming from Windows, you'll feel right at home. It comes pre-installed with lots of goodies like LibreOffice, Firefox, and VLC. So you're all set to get going right away. Next on the list is Xubuntu. It's based on Ubuntu, but with a twist. Xubuntu uses the XFCE desktop environment, which is known for its speed and efficiency. This means even if your laptop is ancient, Xubuntu will run as smooth as butter. Now let's talk about Zorin OS. This one is designed for people who are switching from Windows or Mac OS. It offers a familiar interface and comes packed with pre-installed software. If you want something that feels like an upgrade but is still easy to use, Zorin OS is your go-to. And last but not least, we have ChromeOS Flex. This is Google's free and lightweight operating system. It's based on the ChromeOS platform, so it's super web-centric. If you spend most of your time online, ChromeOS Flex is perfect for you. It runs web-based applications and can turn your old laptop into a speedy little web machine. So why are these options great for old laptops? Let's break it down. First, they have low resource requirements. This means they don't need a ton of RAM or processing power, perfect for older hardware. Second, they're free and open source. You don't have to spend a penny, and there's a huge community ready to help you out. And lastly, they offer good performance. Even with limited hardware, these OSs can offer a smooth and responsive experience. Before you dive in though, here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Check your laptop specifications. Make sure it meets the minimum requirements for the operating system you want to install, and consider your needs. Think about what you want to do with your laptop: web browsing, office work, media playback. Choose an OS that suits your needs. And hey, don't be afraid to experiment. Try out different Linux distributions to see which one you like best. So there you have it. Revive that old laptop and give it a new lease on life with Linux Mint, Xubuntu, Zorin OS, or ChromeOS Flex. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.